Hi children, this is your ANR sir, welcoming you to ANR Academy. Today, in the chapter Polynomials, I have come up with some new problems. This lesson is for class 9th IIT aspirants. This lesson is for class 9th IIT aspirants. Your first sum is the factors of x to the power of 8 plus x to the power of 4 plus 1 are 4 options are given. So you have to find which one is the right option. This question is given in the CDS exam 1999. Clear? So let us take the polynomial x to the power of 8 plus x to the power of 4 plus 1. What we do, let us add x to the power of 4 and subtract. If we add and subtract same number or same expression, the value doesn't change. So we add these two, plus x to the power of 4 plus x to the power of 4, 2x to the power of 4 plus 1 minus x to the power of 4. From here to here, it is in the form of a plus b whole square. This is in the form of a plus b whole square when a is x to the power of 4 and b is 1. So x to the power of 4 plus 1 whole square minus x square whole square. So this is in the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square. What is the formula? A plus b into a minus b. What is your A is x to the power of 4 plus 1. What is your b? X square. So a plus b means x to the power of 4 plus 1 minus x square. And what is a minus b? X to the power of 4 plus 1 plus x square. Clear? So what we do? Again let us add and subtract x square. Again let us add and subtract x square here. X to the power of 4 plus 2x square plus 1 minus x square. So from here to here, this is in the form of a plus b whole square. Let us write. X square plus 1 whole square minus x square. So again this is in the form of a square minus b square. Let us write a plus b into a minus b. X square plus 1 plus x into x square plus 1 minus x. So let us check which has these factors a, b or c. A has c plus x minus x plus x minus x. So a is your right option. So now this is your second question. The value of x minus y whole cube plus y minus z whole cube plus z minus x whole cube by x square minus y square whole cube plus y square minus z square whole cube plus z square minus x square whole cube. 4 options are given. You have to choose the right option. Let me repeat the question again. find the value of x minus y whole cube plus y minus z whole cube plus z minus x whole cube by x square minus y square whole cube plus y square minus z square whole cube plus z square minus x square whole cube. Clear? We have one formula. What is that? If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. What is the formula? If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Now let us check the numerator. Let x minus y be a, y minus z be b, z minus x be c. So if you add these three, then what happens? X minus y plus y minus z plus z minus x. All cancels, you get 0. All cancels, plus x plus y minus z plus x. Everything cancels and you get 0. So what is the value of, in place of x minus y whole cube plus y minus z whole cube plus z minus x whole cube, what you can write? You can write 3 x minus y into y minus z into z minus x, you can write. In the same way, your denominator check. If you take x square minus y square a, and this is b and this is c, you get a plus b plus c is equal to 0, because plus x square minus x square cancels, minus y square plus y square cancels, minus z square and plus z square cancels. So, in place of this, you can write 3 into x square minus y square minus z square minus x square. Clear? So now 3 and 3 cancels. So here in the denominator you have x square minus y square. You can write x plus y into x minus y. In place of y square minus z square, you can write y plus z into y minus z. In place of z square minus x square, you can write z plus x into z minus x. Let us write. See, x minus y cancels. Y minus z cancels. Z minus x is cancels. So what will be left? 1 by x plus y into y plus z into z plus x. So we can write this as x plus y plus z plus x whole to the power of minus 1. Whole to the power of minus 1. So, what is your right option? Your right option is minus 1. So, your right option is what? Your right option is C. C is your right option. Clear? So your next problem is, if b plus c minus a into x is equal to c plus a minus b into y is equal to a plus b minus c into z is equal to 2, then what would be the value of 1 by y plus 1 by z into 1 by z plus 1 by x into 1 by x plus 1 by y? Let me read the question again. If b plus c minus a into x is equal to c plus a minus b into y is equal to a plus b minus c into z is equal to 2, then what would be the value of 1 by y plus 1 by z, 1 by z plus 1 by x, 1 by x plus 1 by y? Clear? So now let us take this. What is given? B plus c minus a into x is equal to 2, or x is equal to b plus c minus a, x is equal to 2 by b plus c minus a. What we did? We transferred b plus c minus a into other side. Then what would be the value of 1 by x is equal to, just we reverse this, b plus c minus a by 2. b plus c minus a by 2. In the same way, let us take the value of 1 by x, 1 by y will be what? 2 c plus a minus b by 2. In the same way, the value of 1 by z will be a plus b minus c by 2. So now let us find the value of 1 by y plus 1 by z. What is 1 by y? This one. What is 1 by z? This. Let us add these two. That means c plus a minus b by 2 plus a plus b minus c by 2. What is your LCM? 2. So you get c plus a minus b plus a plus b minus c. C cancels. Or you can write C cancels and B cancels. So what you get? 2a by 2 or a. 2a by 2 or a. Because 2 cancels. So what is the value of 1 by y plus 1 by z? A. So in the same way, you are 1 by z plus 1 by x. What is 1 by z? A plus b minus c by 2. What is your 1 by x? B plus c minus a by 2. Add this to LCM 2. A plus b minus c plus b plus c minus a plus a minus c plus c cancels. So 2b by 2, or you get b. In the same way, you are 1 by x plus 1 by y. 1 by x plus 1 by y. What is your 1 by x? A plus b minus c by 2 plus. What is 1 by y? C plus a minus b by 2. LCM is 2. A plus b minus c plus c plus a minus b. Minus b plus b minus c plus c. 1 by x, c plus b plus c minus a, sorry, b plus c minus a. B plus c minus a plus c plus a minus b minus b minus b minus a plus a. So 2c by 2 or c. So what is the value of the product of these three? So 1 by y plus 1 by z into 1 by z plus 1 by x into 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to a, b, c. So your B is the right option. Now, this is the next question. If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then what is the value of a square plus b square plus c square by a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square? What is given? If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then what is the value of a square plus b square plus c square by a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square? So first of all, what we do, let us split the denominator. In the denominator you have 1 minus b whole square. Let us write the formula of that. A minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. In the same way, b minus c whole square and c minus a whole square. Clear? So, a square plus b square plus c square by a square plus b square minus 2ab plus b square plus c square minus 2bc plus c square plus a square minus 2ca. Clear? So now what we do, let us take minus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca separately. Then here you have a square plus a square, 2a square, b square plus b square, 2b square, c square plus c square, 2c square. So what you get? A square plus b square plus c square by 2 into a square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Clear? So what is given? A plus b plus c is equal to 0 given. What is given? A plus b plus c is equal to 0 given. So if you square this, that means a plus b plus c whole square is also 0. Or let us open this. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca is also 0. 2ca is also 0. So now what we do? We transfer 2ab, 2bc, 2ca to other side. So what happens? A square plus b square plus c square is equal to minus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Clear? When you transfer other side, all these things become minus. Minus 2ab, minus 2bc, minus 2ca. And I have taken minus common. So in place of this, minus 2ab minus of 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, what we can write? We can write a square plus b square plus c square. So this expression becomes a square plus b square plus c square by 2 into a square plus b square plus c square plus a square plus b square plus c square. So 2, 1, 3. So a square plus b square plus c square by 3 a square plus b square plus c square. Clear? So these two cancels. So what would be the value of this? 1 by 3. 1 by 3. So what is the value of a square plus b square plus c square by a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square when a plus b plus c is equal to 0? 1 by 3. So here C is the right option. I think you understood today's problems. Tomorrow again I come up with some new problems. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you for watching the video. If you really like the video, do not hesitate to like my video and subscribe to my channel Mathematics for All Examinations. Have a nice day.